So you're looking for a really cheap, reliable sewing machine, and you like the one you see on the sewing bee, the Janome Sewist 725. Did you know that there's a secret alternative? I've serviced and repaired well over 1,000 machines, and I think the Janome 7025 could be the machine for you. This machine was originally made for John Lewis and is very, very, very similar to the Janome Sewist, but can be found secondhand for a lot less. In terms of its core features, it has 25 stitches. One of those is a one-step buttonhole, which is really useful and quite unusual on a mechanical machine. The only thing you need to bear in mind is one-step buttonhole on a mechanical machine will keep sewing until you tell it to stop, not like the computerized ones where it comes to a stop. Half of the stitches are also there for stretch and jersey fabrics. It has an LED light, lasts longer, brighter, doesn't get hot, and it has a needle threader which can be really useful. It's a top-loading bobbin machine, so you just drop the bobbin in. What's nice about that is you can see how much thread you've got left on your bobbin. You can adjust the presser foot pressure, so if you need to come down a bit heavier on thicker or ironically finer fabrics to hold them down, you can do that. The presser foot also has a extended lift. It will lift higher, which is great if you're working on bulky fabrics and you need to get the presser foot to sit over the top of them. You can drop the feed dogs for free motion embroidery or for darning. The accessories tray is in a slightly odd place. Once you get used to it, it just pulls out the front. In fact, gives you more space to store things. This machine comes with a hard cover, so if you're looking for a second-hand one, try and look for one with the hard cover. A lot of machines at this price point now don't. Companies have stopped making them as a way of saving money and keep the price point down. Overall, this machine works really well. It's quite robust as long as you set it up properly. You know, if you're sewing with thicker fabrics, use a heavier needle. It will do everything a new or improving sewer really needs. It comes with a good selection of feet, although like most machines, it doesn't come with an invisible zip foot. What don't I like so much? To be honest, like all Janomes, it's noisy. I don't know why, but they are. What I will say is, if you do get one, it's a good idea to maybe get someone to oil it and grease it. That can really help. But they do clatter. But so does the Sewist. It's not exclusive to this machine. Also, again, like most Janomes, it uses an offset foot. Again, like the Sewist, I don't really know why. Well, could be, of course, that Janome just want you to have to buy their offset feet. If you try and use a standard foot on this machine, you run the risk of uncovering one of the set feed dogs or not covering them properly, and that can cause you problems with the fabric feeding through the machine. The needle swing dial is a little bit odd. It kind of works in reverse actually, but once you get used to it, it's just another way of doing it. But if you've used another machine before, you might get it wrong the first couple of times. I think this is a really decent machine and can be found quite cheaply second hand. Well worth looking for. Well, I hope you found that useful. Any questions? Drop me a line. Always happy to help. Like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing more of these videos. And as always, happy sewing.